Is we rolling? I think we might be. Let's go. All right, y'all. I just pulled up to this job on I-16. I'm on the interstate, baby. You see the trucks coming and going. I'm in a safe place, though. I'm right here by the exit ramp or the get on ramp, so traffic ain't right next to me. But if you hear trucks, just know this where we at. We on the interstate. So I'm at my first job for the day. I got a guy with a trailer. He got a flat tire. I'm gonna walk up here to it real quick. He got a flat tire right here. Make sure ain't no car coming. He got a flat tire right here. And I'm gonna change that joke out. Now I'm gonna tell you something, this is a mess. That tire's blown, it's ugly, but let me give you some good news. He got a spare tire that's already on the wheel. So it's gonna be like putting a spare tire on like a passenger vehicle, a car, SUV, truck. This is gonna be an easy in and out. When I say easy, I mean just that. We're gonna be in and out. It's my first job of the day. So I gotta crank up this compressor and we're gonna start this job in 3, 2, 1. Close my drain tank real quick. Let's get to it. The only thing I'm gonna need is my air, my jack, and my air gun. So simple, so easy. I'm actually probably gonna throw some music on, so if you hear me rapping, you hear me singing, that's what it is. Now for that trailer, I ain't gonna lie to you, I don't know the size of the socket right off the bat, so we gonna try to figure this thing out. I'm gonna take a few sockets over there, test them out, see which one fits, see what one don't fit. One of these gonna fit. Let's go on a living spree. Not that one too big. What's that, a 1 inch? That's too small. 1 and 1/16. Right on it. Third time is a charm, baby. Let me get my air gun, man, and go on and knock this out real quickly. Just put my air tool oil inside my torque wrench, or my impact wrench, whatever you want to call it. Another thing I'm gonna need is my jack, and I'm gonna come back for that. Let me go on and get this up here, though. Tell me what's good. I only got a problem when you in the hood. Like I'm new in the hood. He probably think he could, but I don't think he should. 50 told me, go ahead. And if they hate, then let them hate. The good life, it should be easy. He's on solid ground. It ain't gonna be too heavy for this jack. I'm gonna be honest with you, this jack right here lift your whole house up if you need me to. I'm just saying. Let's get up on the hand, get it right. Whoa. So what I'm gonna do, since this is kind of low, before I had it, I closed my eyes and imagined a good life. I'm gonna actually use 2 jacks. I'm gonna set that jack up so it'll raise it up. Get my second jack up under here, and we're gonna use the buddy system since that's too low for 1 jack. Or that's too low for that jack to get up under there. That's why it's always good to have multiple tools, especially jacks. If you can have 2 at least, you will be good for situations like this, because that jack wasn't gonna fit up under the axle. Never mind that paper up under there. Now let's get the jacking. You know what the Midwest is. First jack. You're just gonna get him up high enough for the second jack. Just gonna go up a little bit more. That's it. Go ahead and get this second jack going. Sorry. Make sure that joker's on there good. We good. We going up, baby. We going up, baby. It's only up from here. It's only up from here. Easy work. That's the hard part, is getting everything situated. Figuring out what size socket I needed. Figuring out how we're gonna do this jacking up. Here come the easy part though. I'm going to cycle my oil through here. Let's go. Jesus walks with them. I know he hear me when my feet get weary. I ain't here to argue about his facial features. I'm gonna take this up here. We possibly gonna have to put this in the back of his truck or in the bed of his truck. I haven't talked to him about that yet, but I'm gonna put it right here. And I gotta get that spare tire down. Now, what I didn't share with you guys is his spare tire is up in here. So I got my gun, got my line. I'm gonna do a little climb. I wasn't trying to rhyme, but you know, it happened like that sometimes. Bars. And that's a 1316. Take this spout on. That one came straight off. My knees getting weak, but we gonna be all right. Make sure I don't lose his bolts, because I'm gonna tighten that back up before I leave. Ah! Your boy got balanced like a cat, so don't worry about me falling. Easy work. We're going to put this spare tire on, man. Let me grab my bar. Get my handy dandy tire bar from out there. Give me mine up high. Loving me is complicated. I should have walked y'all through why I did what I just did, but it is what it is. I'm not trying to rhyme, by the way. It worked. Lined him up. And I'm gonna just have to raise my jack just a little bit. Let's raise him up a little bit. It don't get no more better. Got him on that flush. Put these lug nuts on and tighten her down. If this piece is in the way, I apologize. I didn't notice that until just now that might be in the way, but it's all good. All my lug nuts are on. We're finna tighten this joker down. That's it. I'm gonna check his air pressure in it real quick. He got 105 on the head, and his tire calls for 122. I'm gonna get him up to 110 real quick. And these tires air up quick, so just a few seconds. We right up under 110. We're gonna do it for 1, 2. And he's at 110, baby, let's go. I'm gonna let my jacks down. We're gonna load that bad tire into his truck wherever he wants to put it. And we're gonna go on about our business. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna call that a success. Let me put my jacks up, man, and we're gonna get out of here. I thank y'all for watching this with me, coming with me doing this job. This was a success. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, all right?